Hello, you guys. Today, I'm just giving you a little update. I'm about to cover up my babies. So we are into a week and a few days, I think about a week from me planting these seeds. These were my overflow of seeds that I bought from Home Depot. And this is in the greenhouse. But look at those beauties. These are my collard greens, y'all. Go get me some of them collard greens, collard greens, collard greens. We gonna get some collard greens. Anyway, but yeah, y'all, look at it. Isn't that really cool? And so these weren't even used in my AeroGarden. So this grew from basically outside in the greenhouse. So I'm about to cover up these babies for the night and call it a day. Yes, you guys. It's been really cold. It's been like 37 degrees here in the morning. So I was kind of worried about my babies. But I kind of pruned these a little bit yesterday. Took off the dead leaves off the green beans. But otherwise, they're still there. Doing their thing. Here is the Brussels sprouts. Look at those. I had repotted those earlier this week. And they're hanging in there. Looking nice. Look at that. Nice and strong. It's still green. That's the good thing. It's still green. And they're looking strong, y'all. Yes. And then we have my yams here. Yep, nothing yet. It's going to take a little bit more time. Those are the rooted ones. Then we're going over here to the lettuce, y'all. Look how pretty they look. Yes. Black seeded Simpson lettuce. Then we have my bell peppers the new bell peppers that I got from the extra seeds that I had left over from the lasagna that time. So nothing has happened there yet, but it's okay. Here's the other sweet peppers that I originally had and I had repotted earlier last week. They're doing great. We have our spinach still looking the same. We have our Brussels sprouts still doing the same. Now remember, these were the ones that were actually found in the bag of mystery that grew upon themselves. So they're still hanging in there, you guys. They're not wilted, they're not dead, so they're going to stay there. Here is my other lettuce plant that actually I had brought back that was in the house at one time and they died and they're coming back. But look at those new leaves there. See those? These are the older leaves, but they're still good. But these are the new ones. Look at those. There's some new babies growing on there. So they're doing good, y'all. Here's my cilantro. These are all turning into nice little leaves like cilantro. See those little pretty shapes there? So excited. Nice. Then we're going over here to my sweet basil. They're looking pretty good. They're growing some new babies as well. Look at that. My tomatoes are still looking the same, but they do have new green ones. See the darker green leaves, y'all? Those are new. Yes. So, yeah. Anyway, so I was giving you guys an update. I'm about to probably bring out my cucumber plant soon. My cucumber plant is looking really strong right now under the AeroGarden. I really hate to bring it out, but hey, and the greens in there are amazing. So you guys stay tuned for those and how they look right after this. Be right back.